What we offer for spring cleaning, it's really tailored to each customer. We'll dust from top to bottom, left to right in each room, cobweb, everything. It's from top to bottom. If they went inside windows, refrigerator, stove, cabinets, that's more of a spring cleaning. And some don't want that, so they might ask for something different. So it's really tailored to each customer. Every customer is different. We are family owned and operated, and we care. That's the underlying statement. And help, Columbus and surrounding areas and families clean their home and, keep them going, because today life is busy. It's been in our family. My mom cleaned as I was growing up. We just lived in a clean home. And so growing up, that's all we knew. We've been in business going on 13 years in August. 13 years ago, I wanted to leave something to my children. We are finding a lot throughout Columbus and surrounding areas that a lot of people have a lot of hoarding and decluttering situations. The reason why it is Helping Hands Cleaning and More is because, one, we want to help. We're offering our hands, our services to, help you get your house in order. A clean house is a fresh mind. You can reach us on our website at helpinghandscleaningmore.com, or you can give us a phone call at 614-800-8012.